What if I told you 3 companies you've never heard of, control more wealth than most countries, and own pieces of almost everything you interact with daily? Your bank, your phone, the apps you scroll, the food in your fridge, even the bed you sleep in. The same 3 names keep appearing. By the end of this video, you'll see your purchases, your news, and even your choices in a completely different light. This isn't theory, it's documented fact. And once you see how the system really works, there's no going back. Let's pull back the curtain. Who owns Apple? Google? Netflix? Your bank? Most people guess shareholders. But the truth, BlackRock, Vanguard, and State Street. 3 firms controlling $22 trillion, more than the US government spends in 4 years. They own Apple and Samsung, McDonald's and Burger King, Coke and Pepsi. If the same people own the competitors, is it really competition? Or are you just choosing between 2 brands of the same machine? Why do gas, rent, and food prices rise together? Now you know. But money is just the beginning. The real pros steal your mind. Your phone? Engineered like a slot machine, every scroll and notification is a dopamine trap designed by neuroscientists. Meta's own research says their apps fuel depression. Their fix? Make them more addictive. China bans TikTok's algorithm for their kids. But America gets the full-strength version. While you scroll, they're building a psychological profile more accurate than your spouse's. You think you choose what to buy, who to date, even who to vote for. But someone else wrote the algorithm that decided your options. And in Washington, the regulators are the insiders. FDA officials approve a drug, then take million-dollar jobs at the same pharma companies. FCC commissioners write telecom rules, then become telecom lobbyists. $3.5 billion is spent on lobbying each year. That's $6.5 million per member of Congress. Think your $20 donation matters? Princeton studied 20 years of laws. When rich people want something, it happens 76% of the time. When regular people want it, 18%. 6 corporations control 90% of what you read, watch, and hear. In 1983, it was 50. Today, just 6. See the same headline on every channel? You assume it's important. Don't see it anywhere? You assume it didn't happen. Google shows results that make them money. Facebook shows what keeps you scrolling. You're not consuming news, you're being programmed. So how did these companies get so powerful? They used the very system that works against you to work for them. They own the companies, the patents, the pipelines. They don't work for money. They make money work for them. BlackRock didn't start with trillions. They started with a principle. Ownership beats employment every time. And here's the truth. You can use the same system, but they'd rather you didn't know how. What I just revealed, that's just the surface. If you want to learn the exact strategies they use to build wealth, the tax hacks, the income engines, the passive playbook, hit subscribe and turn on the bell. Because in my next video, I'll show you how you can escape the rat race using the same methods they've used for decades.